We're on our way to lunch.
Riding in the car with Tisha and Justine.
Is that our theme song now? I need food now.
Hi everyone, this is Tisha Unarmed, and I'm here to answer all your questions about not having arms. And as you can see, I don't have any arms.
We're going to go to lunch and have some lunch with Justine here, known as Just T-Rex on YouTube. As you can see, she's got her little tiny arms with her little tiny fingers. Justine was born with PFFD just like I was, but her condition is a little bit different than mine, which makes a really good, entertaining personality.
Yes.
We've got a lot of banter that goes on back and forth, and we just thought, hey, let's just make a video of us chilling out, doing
Nothing.
armless shit.
Yeah. It's pretty fun. We get a lot of laughs with our banter, and it's just it's just us hanging out, being ourselves. It's pretty fun.
I think it's really funny, like, getting people's reactions and watching them laugh at us, because your first reaction is not to want to laugh at two armless girls. You're
Right.
just wanting to be sorry for them. But
Right.
then we're just like, hey, you armless freak. And then and then people are like, oh my god, I can't believe she just said that. But it's funny.
I think it shows that, yes, we have different arms or no arms, but we're still out having a good time no matter where we are. And they see us giggling and laughing for no reason, and we just make fun of ourselves and each other all the time. And they see that, it doesn't matter what's happening as long as you're having a good time and laughing. That's all that matters.
One of the things that we've discovered when we actually go out together is, one, people really respond to me for some reason. And
Yes, and I'm just like invisible, which is kind of refreshing too, though.
so, like, when we go out at a restaurant, particularly, people will be like, oh my god, Tisha, you're so inspirational, like, I love you, I can't believe, like, you're using your feet, and, like, that's just so great. And I'm looking at Justine like, well, she's right next to me.
Yeah,
But she's
I'm just
amazing
sitting there
too.
like, okay. Yeah, Tisha is really awesome. Honestly, you get more offended by it than I do. I'm just like, okay. Yeah, I kind of didn't notice it at first until like the third time it happened. I'm like, wait a second. I'm right here. Right next to you.
Well, I think you're awesome. You are amazing too. All the things that you can do with your arms and adapting to your disability differently than I do. It's good to have someone else who's like me, but not like me.
Well, and I can say the same thing too. You've actually taught me to use my foot more than I ever have, because I'll drop something on the floor or something, or it'll be too far away for me to reach with my little T-Rex arms. And I'm like, oh, I don't want to bend down all the way on the floor and do my T-Rex yoga moves right now.
T-Rex doesn't like picking up things off the floor.
No, T-Rex hates picking stuff up off the floor. So I'm like, wait a minute, what would Tisha do? And then I was just like, okay, I'll just use my toes. So I've been learning to do that more, and it's actually saving my neck and my back from hurting as much, because I have to maneuver myself in some weird angles sometimes to reach things, and with my short arms. But if I use my foot instead, sometimes it helps. So it's another option for me now to use my foot. So that's kind of cool. I'm learning to adapt even more now. I like that we have such similar personalities, because we literally don't have to be doing anything and we're having fun. Like, we can just chit chat and talk about whatever, and it's been a lot of fun.
The one difference that I've noticed about Justine, and correct me if I'm wrong, but you get hangry, like so bad.
I do get hangry. That's one of my flaws. If I don't eat within a timely manner, or before I get too shaky or whatever. I don't know what it is, but it's like a switch goes off and I'm just like, I need food now. And unfortunately Tisha's been under my hangry wrath before, so now she knows the signs of when Justine gets hangry and what to do.
Well, I've discovered though, like, I'll ask you, are you hungry? And she'll say, yeah, not yet. I'm like, okay, well that means that we need to get up off our ass now, get in the car, and get to wherever we're going so that we can, before you get to that point where you're screaming and hollering.
It's not at you, it's at like the world.
I like to call her the Hungersaurus.
The Hungersaurus. I like that too. So, yeah. That's really the only negative thing we've experienced so far is my hangriness. When Tisha gets hangry, she gets really pouty. And she just lays on the couch and doesn't want to move. I don't know. And in fact, we just experienced this. This is why